Hello students, I am your maths teacher Mukesh sir is here, and now today we will solve some questions from the chapter Heron's formula. Okay, so here is the first question is written. You can see the question. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. This diagram is given, and in this diagram you can see A, D, B, C. This area is shaded. This part is shaded. A, D, B, C. This part is shaded, and we have to find out the area of this shaded part. So how we can find out? Solution we will start now. You can see. Okay. First of all, join AB. Join AB. AB we will join. And in the figure it is given angle ADB equals to 90 degree. In the figure it is given that angle ADB is 90 degree. When ADB is 90 degree, then this triangle will be right angle triangle. Triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. So triangle ABD is a right angled triangle. Okay, now in this triangle one more thing is given. Sides are given. AD is 12 centimeter, BD 5 centimeter. Okay, these sides are given, and AC and BC also. AC is given 15 centimeter and BC 14 centimeter. These sides are given. Okay, so ABD is a right angle triangle. Then how we can find out, student, the area of the shaded part? If whole figure area of ABC, now when we join the side AB, then it is triangle ABC. Now from whole the triangle ABC, we will subtract the area of this triangle ABD. Okay, if from the triangle ABC we will subtract the area of triangle ABD, then the shaded part will remain. Area of the shaded part will remain. So we can use this formula. But before that, first of all, we need to find the side AB. So we will find out the side AB. Then AB square equals to AD square plus BD square by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, put the values. AB square, AD is given 12, square of 12 plus BD is given square of 5. So that will be 169. AB equals to 169 equals to 13 centimeter. Now AB we have 13 centimeter. The value of AB came, that is 13 centimeter. Okay. Now we will find out the area of the shaded part. Area of shaded part. So how we can find out the area of shaded part? See, ABC is an scalene triangle. ABC is a scalene triangle. So we will find out the area of this scalene triangle by using Heron's formula. But before to solve this question or by using the Heron's formula, we need to find out the semi-perimeter. So in triangle ABC S, semi-perimeter is sum of all three sides. Here you can write down, let A equals to 14 centimeter, B equals to 15 centimeter, and C equals to 13 centimeter. Okay, any one side you can take as AB and C. Semi-perimeter, the formula of semi-perimeter, sum of all three sides of the triangles divided by 2. That is, we will add 14 plus 15 plus 13 upon 2. Okay, as that will come, how much it will be? 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. That will be 42. 42 upon 2 means 21. After dividing, so semi-perimeter is 21. Now we will use Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Use the values. S is given 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 13. Okay, so whatever will remain, write down here. 21 minus 14. What will remain? 21 minus 14? 7. Into 21 minus 15? 6. 21 minus 13? that is 21 minus 30, 9. Oh, sorry, 8. 21 minus 30 will remain 8. Okay. Now this we can write down as a prime factor. Number we can write down as prime factor. 21 we can write down 3 into 7. 7 as it is. 6 we can write down 2 into 6, 2 into 3, and 8 we can write down as 2 into 2 into 2. So these are the prime factors. When we will find out the square root, then the answer will be 3, 1 pair from 3, 1 pair from 7, and 2 pairs of 2. 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is no, sorry, 12 7 is 84. 84 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Okay. This area is area of triangle ABC. We have now 84 centimeter square. 84 centimeter square. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. Next. Now we need to find out the shaded part. Then formula we will use down here. Area of shaded part. Remember what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of shaded part. Shaded part area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD. ABC area we have 84 minus area of ABD. How we will find out? 1 upon 2 base into height. 1 upon 2 base into height. 2 6 is 12, 6 5 is 30. Now that is answer. 54 centimeter square. This is the solution. Area of triangle ABC. Okay, so shaded part. This is the answer. Okay, 54 centimeter square. So this is the way to find out the area of the shaded part. Figures will be given. Okay, and you have to see the figure and use the formula according to the figure and find out the answers. Okay. Now the next question, one more question, and in that question we will use the formula and we will find the answer. So see the question number 2. Next question number 2. I am going to solve some questions student based on student. This is the question that written on the board. You can see here a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter, AD 8 meter, and angle C is 90 degree. Find the area of the park. Okay, so here this is the park, maybe in the shape of like this. It can be the shape of the quadrilateral. Park can be the shape of in this one A, B, C, D. Okay, here it is given AB 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter, AD 8 meter, and angle C 90 degree. Angle C is 90 degree. So this is the diagram you can see. Okay. Now we have to find out the area of this park. How we will find out? Solution you can see. Join BD. Okay. We will join BD. Now, when we join BD, the park has been divided into two triangles, into two triangular parts. See, one triangle is upside and one triangle is downwards. But students, you can see the downwards triangle is right angle triangle, which because one angle is given 90 degree. So, how we can find the area of this park? We will find out the area of BCD triangle and area of triangle ABD, and we will add both the triangles area. Then that will be the equals to the area of the park or area of the quadrilateral. Okay, so let us start. First of all, here you can write down that in triangle BCD, BCD is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, so area of triangle BCD equals to 1 upon 2 base into height 30 meter square. This is the area of triangle BCD, area of right angle triangle BCD. Okay, and BD square equals to what we can find out? BD square equals to BC square plus CD square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. In this triangle, we have to find the BD. Why we are going to find out the BD? Because we need to find the area of this triangle also, and two sides are given, but third side is not given. And angle A also it is not given. We don't know the angle A is 90 degree or whatever. So we need to find third side also. And when we have all three sides, we can use Heron's formula and we can find out the solutions. Okay. So we are finding BD. BD square equals to BC is given 12, square of 12 plus square of 5, that will equals to 169. So square root of 169, 13 meter. BD is 13 meter. BD, now we have all three sides of triangle ABD. BD is 30 meter. Okay. Now this triangle is a scale and triangle. We will use the Heron's formula to find the area of triangle ABD. Okay. So let us find the area of triangle ABD. Before that, we can write down, let in triangle, we have to write down in triangle ABD. Let A equals to 9 meter, B equals to 30 meter, and C equals to 8 meter. Then S equals to 9 plus 13 plus 8 upon 2. Okay. This is the semi-perimeter. Already we have find. So same formula we are using. Now how much it will be? That will be 30 upon 2 equals to 15 meter. This is the semi-perimeter. Now area of triangle ABD, square root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. What is the S? The value of S is 15. 15 minus 9, value of A. 15 minus 13, value of B. 15 minus 13 and 15 minus 8, value of C. Okay. Whatever will remain, that we will write down. Okay. See how much. What will remain? 15 into 15 minus 9, 6, 15 minus 13, 2, 15 minus 8, 7. Okay. Find out the square root of this number. Then what will be the square root of this number? That will come, you can see this, the answer will come 6 and root 35. 6 root 35 meter square. When we find out the square root by using prime factorization method also you can write down. Okay. So 6 and root 35 meter square. Now area of total, okay, or the value of 35 you can write down here, 5.9, something around 5.9, the square root 35 value will come. Then what answer will be there? You can write down same by multiplying, and after the multiplying the answer you can write down, that will be by 35.9 meter square. Okay, 35.4, not 9, 35.4, 6 9 54. So 35.4 meter square. This is the area of triangle ABD. Okay, now total area of part, we have to find out the area of part. So finally answer we will write down here, area of part. Area of part ABCD equals to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. ABD 35.4, BCD we have find that was 30. So that answer will be 65.4 meter square. 65.4 meter square. And this is the area of the part. This is the way to solve these questions, and many more questions are there with the diagrams. So you can use the same method and find out the solutions. Okay, all the best.